Delicious homemade sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. I'll start with some jalapenos and fresh garlic. If I had onions, I would have added those as well. Let's blanch those tomatoes so I can remove the skin. And once those are done, I'll add them into a bowl and I'll give those a quick mash. And I'll also add them into my blender so I can puree them. They'll become nice and silky smooth. I've done this sauce so many times. I do a lot of things by eye. I have 8 tomatoes ready. I am only going to use 6 in this sauce. Once those are all ready, I'll start out with a little bit of olive oil and add those jalapenos and fresh garlic and saute them up for 2 to 3 minutes. If I had the onions, I would have done those as well right there. Now we'll go ahead and add in that nice tomato puree. Now here comes the sweetness. I'm using dark sugar. I'm adding in about 6 tablespoons here, nice heaping tablespoons. Once that's in, here comes the spice. A little bit of onion powder. I will add some garlic powder and black pepper as well. I've added about 1.5 tablespoons of each. Salt is just a pinch. You can always add a little bit more later on. Delicious on chicken, ribs. It's got sweet and spice and everything nice. Please also remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share so you can see more great, easy recipes from my kitchen. Boom.